In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call on Gmail, updated. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few simple tips to make your call go smoothly. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once Gmail loads, look for the thin vertical sidebar on the edge of the screen. In that bar, find the contacts icon. It looks like the silhouette of a person, and click it. This opens your contact list right inside Gmail, so you don't have to leave the page. From your contacts, choose the person you want to call. Click their name to open their details. On their contact card, you'll see a small camera icon. That camera icon is your shortcut to starting a video call. Click it to initiate the call. When you do, Gmail will open a new tab and load the call window. This is powered by Google's built-in calling experience, so everything happens within your browser. In the new tab, you'll see options to invite the person to join. Go ahead and send the invite from there. The invite notifies your contact and gives them the link they need to join your call. At this point, all you need to do is wait for them to accept the invitation. You'll see them appear in the call as soon as they join, and you can start your conversation right away. While you're waiting, take a moment to check your audio and video preview. Make sure your camera is framed the way you like, and that your microphone levels are moving when you speak. If your browser asks for permission to use the camera or microphone, click Allow so you can be seen and heard. A stable internet connection will make a big difference, so if possible, close unnecessary tabs and pause heavy downloads to keep things smooth. If your contact takes a moment to join, don't worry. Sometimes they need to click the invite or switch devices. You can keep the tab open and get a quick visual cue when they arrive. Once they accept, you're connected, and that's it. You started from Gmail, opened contacts, selected your person, hit the camera icon, sent the invite, and waited for them to join. That's the complete process for making a call on Gmail with the updated interface. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your call.